I want to say the month of January 2025 has been kind of shitty, but January's over. It's February now. I spent the last 30 days nursing a back injury from the 14 inches of freaking snow we had here in central Indiana, and I'm over it. I didn't get any work done on the truck. I did switch over here to this other, I don't know. How's this thing work? Who knows? I did pull the grill out and the headlight bezels, trims, and got those painted matte black. You know, my favorite color for 16, I don't know, 1693 satin black, whatever. Put a clear coat on them last night. Ordered some wheels, got new parts in, got some drop shocks I need to check out, but I got to get started back on this truck. Wheels and tires come in on the 19th, and today is the 2nd or 3rd of February. Probably the 3rd, it's Monday, whatever it is. But I'm going to try and get the radiator out since that got a hole in it from the broken wrench. I've got a new rad, new hoses. I'm going to save on the trans cooler. So that's what I'm going to do today, or try anyway, and get into these brake lines. These are fun. You need to make something like this as like a reclosable zip tie. Take it back out. At some point, come back out. Alright, here we go. Didn't tear it up too bad. I can work on those spins a little bit. Damn shame that wrench broke and jacked up my radiator, because this is a pretty good radiator. But they wanted as much as a new plastic core radiator to repair this one. So I bought a new plastic core. Clean some of this debris up out of here. Bunch of grass and crap. This part I hate. Why would you put that little angle in there? All it does is clog shit up. Pretty nice day out today. It's about 60 here in the shop. It was 70 on my way home. Big change from what it's been. So we're gonna get colder again, I'm sure. Winter is not over. Oh, it's gonna be fun getting these brake lines replaced. Not really. I don't think it is. Show you what we're going to do. So I got a new prop valve. I actually had that left over. I bought that for my Caballero build, but that ended up getting disc brakes all around, and this is for disc drums, so I'm glad I had it, didn't have to buy another one. So we're going to take, where is it? You see my finger? Yeah. We're going to take that prop valve out and those lines. Got new lines, all new lines. Think the back. Hard lines and soft lines. The only thing I'm not replacing on this brake system is the booster and the master cylinder. And let's see, keeping the rotors on the front, they're in good shape. The back drums, I haven't got into those yet, but I'm at least replacing the seals and the pads. New pads, new calipers up front, all new lines in the back. I'm not replacing the union on the axle in the back. It came off there, it'll clean up. But that's what I'm working on. So it's not going to be fun, but we'll do it. All right, prop valve is out. Everything's frozen up down there. Sometimes you gotta use your friends. And this guy cuts those lines off pretty easy. Now to get these out of here, I have put heat on them before. I've had blaster on them for weeks. They are still frozen up, so we're gonna try the wax. See if I can make that work. Probably have to get a vice grip out. Gonna get to smoke a little bit. It's the first time I've tried the wax. I've seen it done. Looks like, I guess the concept is it doesn't evaporate away like blaster does when you go put more heat on it. Try it with a wrench, but I bet it's going to take vice grips. Oh, maybe not. Nice. I think that wax is doing the job. Tried it with a wrench before and just some blaster, and that did not work. Get out of there. Now we're talking. Perfect. Tray under there to catch that crap. Alright, see if we can have the same luck with this one. Oh. A little more heat, a little more wax, see if that helps. Careful, brake fluid's flammable. Oh, look at that. Don't even need the persuader. Yeah, that's going to be a big leak. Oh well, shit ton of brake fluid on my floor anyway. Yeah, we're going to do the same thing. Cut that one off. Those lines are just rusty and crusty. And there we go. Perfect. Don't care if I ever see that again. Alright. Well, shit. That was easy. Now I guess I can start threading the new stuff in. That big line was on the front.
You did blow those lines out with carb cleaner and air first, right? No. No, but I did come back the following day and clean them out.
I'll save these little caps. I might need them again. Pre-bent lines are nice. You still got to do some futzing with them. I'm not going to final tighten them up all the way until I'm done getting it set on the prop valve and that valve's still in there. I don't know if it matters, but that's what I'm going to do. Next, to figure out where everything goes on this bad boy. It's one of the newer ones. Should should be fun. I like brakes. Not really. I'll catch up with you later.